Alright, so we're making it out today. It's just one of those days. It's super nice out, but I just needed to get out on the motorcycle, so I am headed down to King's Landing Park. And I haven't been to the park for, I don't know, maybe a year, and it's not that far, so figured why not head down there. But yeah, gonna film 2 videos today. Gonna finally get the first thoughts on the Öhlins rear shock, which you guys will have seen the video before this one. Yeah, readjusted it, and this is the first ride out on it. I definitely think it's more set up for my weight, my riding preference, so excited for that. Just out of the 4 miles I've done so far, as well as got some new spark plugs in here. Don't think they've actually ever been changed, so super nice, and it definitely seems a little bit cleaner on startup. Hopefully this van won't be in front of us for the entire way. But even if it is, it's a beautiful day. Let's jump to the van not being in front of us. You guys think this is a good spot for the first thoughts on the rear shock? Also, if you guys haven't watched that tree's so pretty. Also, if you guys haven't watched my first thoughts video, I'll link it at the end and you guys can go view it. Alright, have VIP parking today. Made it to the pier in Queen Landings. Wonder how long I've been saying that. So I have the VIP parking in King's Landing Park. This is the pier, nice waterfront area, some different piers to walk around, and tons of trails back here. Gonna walk around, take some pictures. This is a beautiful place to come and hike. Right, so a little congested down there, but I got some pictures. Gonna make my way back out of the park and try to find at least one more spot to stop and take a picture or two. Let's go see where we can get it. Alright, so this beautiful parking lot waterfront spot is where I'm going to end today's video. Don't remember the name of this restaurant because it's been changing in the last couple years, but super beautiful here. You can eat and be waterfront. Have a little gazebo thing right there. Today has been beautiful and fun, and I do have to say that adjusting the rear shock that I have has made a huge difference on today's ride. I'm gonna sit here, take a couple more pictures, and then make my way home. If you guys have liked today's video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below.